Hey, good Friday afternoon, YouTube. Hugmeister's Garage and Workshop. Got a little bit of our mess cleaned up from the back rack job. Now we're about to unpack this front rack, this ranch hand front rack, and see if we can get that mounted this weekend. Actually came packed pretty good. Cardboard, bubble wrap, and they put pipe insulation around the whole thing. So we're going to get this unpackaged and do what we gotta do. Okay, we got this thing unboxed. Got some of that cardboard cleaned up over here. Threw it in the burn hole. Got our brackets out. Got our directions out here. Already got these pre-cut. Still gotta drill that air dam down there, but now the wind's picking up again, so I don't know if I want to open that door or not, but we'll see what's going on out there. Alright, we got these brackets on. Man, that's a bear. Good thing I had that little lip to put the tires on, because my fat ass could barely fit underneath there, but you gotta line these up like a little less than 41 inches outside to outside, and you should be able to slide that on there. So now I got to put those plastic covers back on, and I've got to drill those valance holes to put that lower bracket in. But I think we're on the right track. Okay, you can do this yourself if you got the right amount of tools. I used my lift table and put that lower lip on there. And as long as you've got those front brackets on there squared up right, you can get all 4 or all 6 of those front bolts started. I didn't slot the bumper on mine. I just used a 2-inch hole saw and to put that lower bracket in. So I'm gonna get this tightened down, squared up, and get those lower brackets in, and we'll back her out, and hopefully it's bright enough we could take a picture. And thank God. Man, that thing's heavy. Well, there you go. That's one sweet ass looking grill guard. I'm gonna back her out, and we'll do a walk around, see if there's enough light out there. Oh yeah, I like the looks of that. So that finishes up the outside of this truck, except for our beacon, but I'm gonna wait for that. I got the wires down. Back rack done. Looks good. Lights work. I like it. Alright, we're gonna shut this project down. As always, everything we own is dragged out again. Tomorrow will be cleanup day. And thanks for watching, but that wasn't too bad. That's your ranch hand headache rack today, and our front grill guard. Have a good weekend, folks.